Okay. Now, we threaded that. I've set this to, let's see, the longest stitch it'll do, and we will do a straight stitch to see if it picks up the thread to start. And, oh, there we go. Turning it by hand here for a stitch or two, and it seems to be doing that, so we'll turn the power on. Oh, and it broke the upper thread. I bet that this thread I have is not great. Oh, and we cut our top thread up in the bottom too. Alright, let's try that again. Alright. Okay. I go down around the front. That finger takes it behind, and then it goes through the take-up arm here, and did I forget to bring scissors down when I grabbed my thread? I sure did. So there, and it goes under here. Let's see if I can poke that into the needle without cutting it square. The things we do when we're too lazy to go get some scissors. And I managed to thread it. Wow. Okay. There we are. Put this there. Reduce that tension a bit. All right. So straight stitch. The blue thread is definitely getting pulled through the back by the black one out of the bobbin. So I guess that bobbin tension is pretty high. Let's try adjusting our tension up a little bit. Alright. The upper tension got raised, and now there we go. The back side is not showing blue when it was showing blue before, and the top side does not show black, and it obviously wasn't going to show black on the other one. So that's that. Now the real test. Let us put this to the widest zigzag it does and see if it the zigzag is coming out and it's hooking both sides. So let's shorten our stitch length a little bit so we get more mileage here. And then we can reverse, and it's catching stitches in reverse. Look at that. Went all the way one way and back without catching any, or without missing any stitches. So that's good. It did bunch the fabric a bit, so it looks like the bobbin is still a bit tight for this kind of stitching, but the timing is on and it worked, which is exciting. So now we just have to put this back in, well, clean it up and put it back in the cabinet, probably. I guess while we're here, let's check the other stitches. So here's our blind hem. So we should get a straight and a, there we go. And lift our needle all the way up, and then we've got the stretch stitch, which is a triple plunge zigzag, and that's working. And this is I'm gonna turn this sideways now. I don't actually know what this stitch is supposed to do. It's another stretch stitch, which makes sense because this is a machine from the 70s and stretch fabric was all the rage in the 70s, so this is a different stretch stitch here. You can see it does, instead of this zigzag, which is a triple plunge as it makes the pattern, this is back and forth 3 stitches, and then forward and back and forth 3 stitches, and then forward and back and forth 3 stitches. So, alright. Count that a win. The batch of parts I got for this machine was about 20 bucks, so it's back sewing for about 20 bucks. I'm going to throw a new light in it because the old light was broken, and I'm gonna see here. Yep, the bobbin winder turned, so it probably doesn't need a new tire. So we'll be back when we're cleaning and putting it in the cabinet so it can go on to a new home.